Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is what day it is. It's Friday, August 23rd, and I'm starting off a kind of like a prep with me vlog for school. I start school next Monday the 26th, which is so soon and so crazy because that means summer is basically over. And I wanted to vlog and do kind of, like I just said, like a prep with me vlog of just how I get ready for school. Some tips and tricks that I have for going back to school, whether it's high school, college, anything like that. So I'm just gonna kind of be bringing you guys, it's not gonna be just today, it's gonna be kind of like this weekend of everything that I do to get ready for back to school time. Right now it's 10:56 and it's kind of like a gloomy day. Actually, I was supposed to go to the pool today, but I didn't even know that it was gonna be like rainy or like only 75 degrees, which sucks. But I also just made myself some coffee so that I can just sit here, relax. I have my little lamp on. First thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting my, what's it called, my computer out. So I have my computer here and I'm going to basically be opening some of my syllabus that my teachers have already sent. So some of the teachers already sent me the syllabus, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look on the schedule. Usually most professors give you kind of like a breakdown of what each week or each class is going to cover, when things are due, what assignments are due, what days, your final exam days. So what I like to do, if they send it before school starts, I like to get a head start and write that all in my planner so that I have just a breakdown. I do that with all my syllabus, so even during the first week when they give out the syllabus, the rest of the teachers, I'm still going to write down everything in my planner. I'm going to show you guys how I do that right now. So that's the first thing I'm going to be doing to prep for back to school. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's just get right into prepping for back to school. Also, guys, I didn't do like a back to school haul type of thing because honestly all I needed was a new planner, which I'm going to show you guys now. I got this from Target, just 2019 and 20 planner, and I like this one because it is big, but I like this size because you get to write so much, and I'm going to show you guys what I mean. So when you open up to each month, so this is for example October, you get an overview of the whole entire month and you get to write in these little boxes. You also get like a little note section, but then when you turn to like the daily page, you still have a huge space to work with. So if you have like a lot of assignments, everything, you get to plan out on a daily basis what you want to do, what you want to accomplish or have to do for that exact day. So I really like this type of planner. So I just got this from Target, and then I also got this 5-subject notebook. So it just has 5 sections, which is kind of easier for me. I did this last semester and it worked out really well for me because I have about like 5 or 6 classes, so I'm just going to use the 5-subject, and also you have your computer to take notes if you prefer taking notes. So sometimes for me it depends what type of class it is, if I find that it's easier to take it notes like written, because I feel like you retain information better when you write notes. So I feel like a 5-subject notebook is like perfect. So I don't really go all out with like back to school supplies because it's college. Like you usually use your laptop, or like I said, I'm just using one big notebook. And then I have all of my pens and stuff the same from last year. I got like one new pen, just simple, just a black pen. But other than that, like that's literally it. So I just want to show you guys what I got really quickly because I wasn't doing a whole dedicated video on like back to school haul because I don't really need to buy much, you know. So yeah, now that I have that, I'm going to just open up my like web campus thing, that's what it's basically called, and click on the classes. So for me, the 2 classes, or 3, the 3 classes that posted their syllabus already were my forensics class and my social psychology class and my public speaking class. So 3 classes. I'm gonna just tell you guys all the classes I'm taking actually while I'm here. So I'm taking forensic science, which is like a lab and a lecture. I'm taking this crim class, which is interview / counseling strategies. Then I'm taking social psych. Then I'm taking public speaking. then I'm taking this like I don't know, weird like seminar class that we have to take. But anyways, those are the classes I'm taking, and 3 of those already sent me the syllabus. So I'm gonna go ahead, open them up, and show you guys what I'm talking about when I'm talking about like a little schedule breakdown, and that's how I fill in my planner. Okay, so this is what I mean when I'm talking about like a breakdown schedule. So each week for the lab and the lecture, they have just like a schedule for us, so we know, like, you know, when midterm is, when finals are, when there's no class, and all of that fun stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and write down everything in my planner right now. Alright guys, so that is that for the first thing I'm going to be doing to kind of prepare for back to school. Like I said, this isn't going to be just like a traditional vlog of like what I'm doing. It's kind of just going to be a breakdown of, like I said, everything that I'm doing to prepare. So this is like my first step, and of course, like whenever I'm doing something else to prepare for school, I will like continue the vlog. But for right now, that is it. This is what I love to do because it keeps me organized, having a planner and just having this done, so that like while I'm in school I don't need to like worry about doing it. It's already in my notebook, I already know, in my planner, and I already know when things are gonna start being due. So that is it for right now, and I'll catch up with you guys whenever I'm doing my next little step into prepping for back to school. Alright guys, so it is now Saturday, and I'm going to be filling you guys in on what I've done so far, or what I'm about to do right now for Monday, for when I start school again. So basically this morning I did my nails myself. I did it this navy, it's like a royal blue color, looks a little darker on camera. It's called My Car Has Navigation by OPI. It might be a little too early for like blues and everything, but I love this color and I'm ready for like these fall colors, so I don't care. Anyways, so right now I'm actually going to start getting my alarms ready. I know that's like the worst thing ever, but I'm the type of person that doesn't like to just wake up, get ready, and go to school. I like to have a full morning routine, have my coffee, watch YouTube, relax, and I need to get back into a routine of waking up at a decent time, because obviously this summer everyone just sleeps late and wakes up whenever. I mean, I'm not the type of person that wakes up like at noon, but like I need to get back into routine. And so I like to set my alarms for my classes. Basically, I'm going to be looking at the time that the class starts, seeing what time I need to leave, and then from there I go and figure out the time that I need to wake up. So right now, Mondays and Thursdays, my classes start at 10 a.m. that class. So obviously it doesn't matter the other classes that I have that day, but I need to be there by 10 a.m. So that means I need to leave my house at like 9:35, because I give my car like 5 minutes to warm up, and then it takes me 10 minutes to get there. So I'm going to be chilling because the class is right in the building by the parking lot, so it's not have to walk across campus. So I'm going to be setting my alarm for 8 o'clock if I have to leave at 9:35. So it gives me enough time, like I said, to have a nice morning routine. And I'm going to show you guys how I do that on my alarm app. You can set an alarm for the set days every week. It repeats every week, so you don't have to every day go and remember to set your alarm and risk not putting on your alarm. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So basically you just come here and then you want to click 8 a.m. and then you click repeat, and then you put it for the days that you need it for. So I need it for every Monday and Thursday. Go back, repeat every Monday, Thursday, and then you're all set. On the first day of school though, I have an appointment, so this is only for this Monday coming up, which is my first day. But every other Monday and Thursday I'll be waking up at this time. Now let's check for Tuesday. Okay, so I just checked, and Tuesdays my class starts at 11:30, and it's in, like, I don't even know, it's not by the parking lot. So if it starts at 11:30, I'm gonna probably leave my house maybe like 10:55. So I'll put my alarm for 9 o'clock. And 9 a.m. for every Tuesday. Save, and I'm all set. And I don't have classes on Wednesdays or Fridays, and so I don't need to have, like, I'm probably just gonna right now put like 9 o'clock for Wednesdays and Fridays, just to get my body, you know, still, I mean, I probably will wake up naturally on my own, because that's usually what happens to me. Once I start waking up the other days pretty early, my body just wakes up naturally anyways. So I think I'm just gonna put right now an alarm for 9 a.m. for Wednesdays and Fridays, because I'll use those days to wake up early, probably film a little bit of videos, or just get my homework done in the morning, because I also work Wednesdays and Friday nights, so I'll get all my homework done and stuff before. So this is key for me, just setting your alarms so that you're at like a good, you know, schedule, a good routine for the semester, and it kind of keeps you like organized. And who doesn't? I know waking up early, but like these aren't even that early, and let's say I slept late and I'm tired, I can put 10 more minutes, 15 more minutes, but I just would rather, instead of sleeping more, I would rather wake up and make use out of that time, because what are those extra like an hour gonna really do for me? Sometimes when I fall back to sleep, honestly, it makes me more tired. So I'm the type of person that would rather use that time to have a more relaxing morning than waking up, getting ready, and just going to school and like kind of starting the day off kind of like bad, because you're just gonna be dreading the school day. If you're super tired and cranky and you just rolled out of bed and have to go straight to school, at least you have something that you can look forward to in the morning, getting up, watching your favorite show, or just chilling, you know? So that is why I like to do that, and it has been super helpful when I did it last 2 semesters. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. I was supposed to actually do my hair today and my nails, but I was like, you know what, why would I do my hair today? I could actually do it tomorrow before I go to work, like while I'm like doing my other stuff that I need to get ready, which I'll vlog more tomorrow. So I'm gonna be doing my hair tomorrow and other stuff, and you guys will see all of that. So yeah, this was like the second, or I don't know, lost count. But yeah, this is another big tip for getting ready for back to school, and I hope you guys try it and find it useful, and I hope everyone has a good first day of school, whenever your first day is, or if it was already passed, I hope you had a great first day, and if it wasn't great, just try to make the best out of these days, even though it's sucky that summer's like ending. Just try to make the best of it. Good morning, guys. It is now Sunday. I just woke up like 45 minutes ago at 8, and I'm now doing my laundry so that I have a bunch, you know, all my clothes and everything. My pillowcase is clean for the upcoming week for school. So I always usually do laundry on Sundays, just because, like I said, you're starting your week off fresh, everything's clean. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and then I need to go and like wash my hair and straighten it so that I look presentable for school. Alright guys, I just finished washing my hair, putting in my like heat protectant and cream, and I'm going to now blow dry my hair and straighten it. And this is just the before. I haven't straightened my hair in so long, so you guys will see my hair straight after. It's gonna take me like 30 minutes, and I'm also gonna have some lemon ginger tea with that also to help with my bloating. But yeah, so I just want to show you guys, this is a little before, and then I'll be back once I'm done with my hair. Okay guys, and this is the after. It is now 12:46. It took me about like 30 minutes. But my hair grew so much ever since I cut it because I didn't use heat on it like all summer. But I'm obsessed and I do my hair myself literally all the time that I want my hair done. I just do it myself because if I know how to do it, why would I go and get it like blow dried and stuff? But this was my next thing to do before tomorrow. I have to wake up so early tomorrow, guys, 6:30, because I have an appointment before class. But right now I'm gonna go actually and put my laptop to charge so that it's like at 100% for tomorrow, because I'm gonna be there for quite some time. And what else? I'm gonna be vlogging like my first day of school, and I think I'm gonna be vlogging also like a week too. So I don't know, but yeah, so I'm gonna go put my computer to charge, and that's about it for now. I'll probably see you guys tonight when I'm like packing my backpack all ready for tomorrow. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna plug in my computer so that I can fully be charged. See, okay, perfect. Alright guys, I just got home from work and I am just packing up my backpack. So I just put my laptop in and I'm just going to put my AirPods away and my wallet. And then in the morning I'm going to put my phone charger, but I'm just going to charge my phone obviously overnight. And then I probably will pack like a snack or something in the morning if I have anything good, but just my planner, notebook, folders, and computer. And now I need to pick out my outfit. Alright guys, I'm just wearing this black short sleeve and some jeans. If you want to see my whole outfit, just watch my next video, which is going to be my first day of school vlog. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm now gonna go to sleep. I don't even know if you can hear me because it's late. It's 12:22 and I need to be up at 6:30. But I'll see you guys tomorrow in my first day of school vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little prep with me, and let's see how tomorrow goes. I hope you guys have a great first day, whatever you're gonna have for your first day. But good night guys, and I'll see you in my next video.